What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Accra, Ghana. We're going to go over Crypto.com. This is a sponsored video. They do sponsor the channel. However, Crow and Crypto.com, even before they sponsor the channel, I was promoting them just because I love the project so much and all the sports sponsorships, which we're going to get into. So Crypto.com partners with 4 more AFL and AFLW clubs. So Crypto.com has depended its partnership with the AFL, partnering with 4 more clubs following its $25 million 5-year deal with the league itself and the Adelaide, sorry, I probably pronounced that wrong, football club announced in January. The Singapore-based cryptocurrency platform is partnering with Fermento Dockers, the Gold Coast Suns, the Greater Western Sydney Giants, and the Richmond Tigers. The 3-year deal includes both men and women's teams of each club. With 5 teams in total, the deal gives Crypto.com a truly national presence and entrenches the exchange in the AFL and the AFLW ecosystem. There will be Crypto.com branding on the coaches' polos of the Giants, the AFLW team, this weekend. The Crypto.com brand will also appear on the Suns matchday assets at the Metricon Stadium and digital channels. So they're continuing to expand. They're continuing to partner with all these really cool sports teams. And I'm going to show you guys all the partnerships they have so far. So another article here. So Arcade, leading of the future of GameFi with Crypto.com. Arcade, the leading infrastructure for GameFi, and Crypto.com Capital have recently announced a strategic partnership going forward. The partnership will encompass Crypto.com Capital as Arcade's lead backer, accelerating the world's transition to cryptocurrency. Crypto.com believes that Web3 powered by cryptocurrency will be the future of the internet, and fairer and more equitable, owned by the builders, creators, and users. Therefore, it seems sustainable to join Arcade and grow alongside them. Shortly, customers from both companies can expect many benefits from this partnership, such as lowering the barrier of entry to play-to-earn games, getting rewards, blockchain education, welcoming newcomers in the GameFi space, and allowing anyone to participate in the metaverse. So not only are they teaming up with sports brands and teams around the world, but as well as jumping into the metaverse, as well as jumping into GameFi. And they're already involved in DeFi, so they're really dipping their hands in a little bit of everything, which I think is really cool, guys. So I wanted to show you guys all these partnerships they have. So here they are, Crypto.com here on the left. They have LeBron James, the LeBron James Family Foundation, Formula One, Aston Martin, the UFC, Paris Saint-Germain, the LA Kings, the Philadelphia 76ers, Serie A Racing, International Hockey Federation, the Los Angeles Lakers, the AFL, the F1 Miami Grand Prix, the Montreal Canadiens, including more, guys. So many incredible partnerships. FTX, which is one of the biggest exchanges in the game, is doing something very similar, but in my opinion, Crypto.com has a few that are just a little bit more cool. So let's jump over to the Supercharger. So as of right now, you can currently receive a 66.5% APY on Bitcoin for the next 12 days in the Supercharger. I know it's not available yet for Americans, so sorry about that, but everyone else around the world, right now you can stake your Kronos coin. They rebranded from Crow to Kronos, and you can stake it and receive up to 66% for 12 more days, and then it will be a new coin. Previously, we just had Luna for 43%, and right before that, we had Ethereum for 43%. I absolutely love to use the Supercharger to earn some free crypto. I also highly recommend the DeFi wallet, where you can earn up to 12 to 13% staking your Kronos in a DeFi pool. And the cool thing about the DeFi wallet is you can literally take out your Crow and restake it even every day. I do it about once a week. I take it out and I restake it. So every single week I'm earning more and more Crow just by staking my Crow in the DeFi wallet. So highly recommend that as well. It's the world's fastest crypto growing app, as you guys know, as I mentioned at the beginning of every video. And I definitely recommend their Visa cards, incredible benefits, including cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. And not only that, you receive $25 just for signing up through my link in the referral top of the comments. I'm not allowed, due to the fact that they sponsor the channel, to get too much into the chart analysis analysis, but we are squeezing here in this beautiful symmetrical triangle. And I have been buying CRO as it's been dipping. I've been buying since about 56 cents. I've been buying all the way down. I will continue to buy CRO as I'm a big believer in the project. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. Make sure to sign up to Crypto.com if you're new through my referral link, $25 just for signing up. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.